If you see even one aphid, don't wait because they can destroy your entire garden. Just look at these damaged leaves after only a few days. The worst part is that ants actually help them and protect them from other predators. That is why it is very important to get rid of them in time. Today, we are going to make a natural repellent that will protect your garden from aphids and ants. You only need a few cheap ingredients and a couple of minutes. One of the ingredients is especially strong and actually the most important one, so watch the video until the end. The first ingredient is hot chili pepper, which we will crush slightly. It contains capsaicin, a substance that irritates aphids and makes them leave the plant quickly. When you make a mild solution and spray it on the leaves, aphids no longer stay because that kind of surface simply does not suit them. Pour everything into half a liter of hot water. Then chop some garlic, which works not only as a repellent, but also as a fungicide. It contains allicin, which aphids and ants cannot tolerate. Besides fresh garlic, you can also use garlic powder. Friends, write "I want it" in the comments, and I will send you an excellent repellent against moles. Leave everything to sit in the water for a few hours so it dissolves well. Then, strain it. But that is not all. We still have 2 important ingredients left. The third ingredient is 1 tablespoon of organic dish soap, because it breaks down the protective layer on the bodies of aphids, causing them to dry out and die quickly. When diluted in water and sprayed on them, it works almost immediately because it literally removes them from the leaf. It is important that it is mild and properly diluted so it doesn't damage the plant. The last and most important ingredient is 1 tablespoon of neem oil. It disrupts the way aphids feed and reproduce, so over time they disappear from the plant. It does not always kill them instantly, but it weakens them and prevents a new infestation. It also creates a thin layer on the leaves that they do not like, making it harder for them to stay. You can buy it in most well-stocked health food stores. If you want, you can dilute it with another half liter of water. First, test it on a small part of the plant to see how it reacts. Spray early in the morning or late in the evening when there is no sun. Spray under the leaves because that is where they hide the most. Share this video on social media so we can help other people too.